Welcome. In this lecture, we will discuss one of the very interesting terminology that is called Wronskian. So, what is Wronskian? That we have to see. So, before going to see the Wronskian, we should know the linear dependency, independency. So, what are they? So, if we have functions y1 x, y2 x, okay, and so on, yn x. If these are the functions, then the linear combination, that is a1 y1x plus a2 y2x and plus and so on an yn x. Okay, so this is the linear combination of these functions if this equal to 0. Okay, and this a1 a2 an are arbitrary constants. Okay, now if I write equation 1 for this, we can say these functions, that is y1 x, y2 x, yn x are linear independent if for all ai equal to 0, I equal to 1 to n in equation 1. Okay. So, for equation 1, if all the arbitrary constants are 0, then we call the functions y1, y2, yn are linearly independent. Okay. Now, linearly dependent if for some ai is not equal to 0, I equal to 1 to up to n, means there exists at least one a, so that that is non-zero, but which satisfy equation 1. Okay. So that is clear. So linear independent and dependent. So if we know that, so from this equation 1, okay, what we can do? If I write the equation 1, so a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus and so on plus an yn. So in place of y1 x, we are writing yn and like that. Okay. So this equal to 0. If I take first derivative, so what will happen? a1 y1 dash plus a2 y2 dash and plus so on plus an yn dash equal to 0. Similarly, if we do, then nth derivative will be, n minus 1th derivative will be this. So this equal to 0. Now it is clear. Now from here we will get the Wronskian. Okay. So now the Wronskian W of this y1, y2, this yn function. So this is defined as row wise if we write. So y1, y2 and so on yn, then y1 dash, y2 dash, so on yn dash, then y2 dash double dash, y1 double dash, y2 double dash and so on yn double dash. Similarly, the last one will be y1 n minus 1 dash, y2 n minus 1 dash and yn n minus 1 dash. So this determinant is called Wronskian. Okay. Now we can see that if y1, y2, yn are linearly independent, then what? W for linearly independent, W is not equal to 0. That means it is not a singular matrix. Okay. Determinant is not 0. If it is linearly dependent, that means W is equal to 0. Okay, Wronskian equal to 0, because for if you see the combination, at least some a value will get, so that the solution is 0. So the linear combination is 0. So what case it will be possible? Only when the y1, y2, yn, so their determinant will be 0, because at least some of the a value are non-zero. If it is 0, then trivial. So rather Li implies to W not equal to 0 and Ld implies W not equal to 0. Other way also we can say, if Wronskian is non-zero, then y1, y2, yn are linearly independent. If Wronskian is 0, then the functions y1, y2, yn are linearly dependent. So this beautiful property will apply in ordinary differential equation and their solution. Okay. So if we see the solution of the ordinary differential equation, what about the Wronskian, and whether they are linearly independent, dependent, those things we are going to see in the next lecture.